This anonymous guy turned his $80 million into 160 million by correctly predicting the outcome of the US elections. Welcome to Prediction Markets, a place where you can see what people actually think will happen based on where they are willing to put their money. Because when real money is involved, people stop guessing and start revealing what they actually believe in. And these markets have been growing really fast. Why? Let me explain. At a simple level, prediction markets allow people to bet on answers to yes or no questions about the future. Will inflation be above a certain level? Will Zuck beat Elon? You can even bet on Jesus' return to Earth. And no matter how bizarre, each outcome does have a price that reflects how likely the market thinks that event is going to happen. What makes prediction markets so powerful is not just the reward. It's the quality of information they produce. Surveys would ask what you think. Prediction market would ask if you would bet your money on it. People can still be wrong, but they tend to be more careful when there's something at stake. And over time, it becomes a surprisingly strong source of information, sometimes even better than Google or traditional experts. And that is why many people now use them as signals, not just for betting, but for understanding what's likely to happen in the real world. And what makes it even more interesting, putting prediction markets on a blockchain. So literally anyone from any corner of the world with an opinion on anything can participate. And all verified outcomes are visible on chain for everybody else to see. And on a blockchain like Solana, where transaction cost negligible and settle in seconds, prediction markets can feel almost real time, just like refreshing a live sports score. So basically, this becomes a cool financial tool that anyone can use to have some fun, maybe make some money, and better understand the world, all while being global, permissionless, and completely transparent. That is why the volumes are growing, interfaces are improving, and even AI is getting in the game. Yes, it's not all perfect yet. There are still challenges around liquidity, usability, and reliability. And I think those get solved when prediction markets reach a wider audience. And when that happens, they're likely to start showing up in apps people already use, like wallets, sports apps, and everyday financial tools. And with better products and integrations, they could become internet's most honest feedback loop, where the crowd with some skin in the game show you what's actually about to happen instead of what people want you to believe. At their core, prediction markets reward people that are right, not loud. In a world full of noise, that's incredibly valuable. And as they continue to grow on chain, especially in the ecosystems like Solana, prediction markets might just become crypto's most practical use cases. I bet on yes, they will.